They won't tell you the truth about getting pre-approval. But I will. When people are looking for a home loan, all they hear is interest, deposit, and credit score. But they are not getting the information that getting a pre-approval is the most important step that you could take when you are buying your first property. We all know that most of first-time home buyers, they jump straight to property viewings, realizing that they don't even have a plan in place, which is getting the pre-approval first. So they go look for houses that are often higher than what they could afford because they haven't done the pre-approval. So when that happens, the results from the bank, they come back and now they realize that they were looking for houses or into houses that they can't even afford. And the danger is falling in love with a house. When you are looking for properties, you need to exactly know what you can afford, and you need not to fall in love quickly because that will ruin things. I'm sure you guys can relate. But hey, pre-approval is very important. It matters. Pre-approval matters. Hello, I am Gales too, and I am your property coach. As you know, I am still navigating this journey myself. Please join me. If you are interested in my topic, please make sure that you like the video, you comment, and you subscribe. It's for free. Please join my community. They won't tell you this, but pre-approval is actually protecting you more than it protects the bank. Here is why. Number one, they make sure that you are in good hands and also avoid getting you disappointed. They make sure that the price of the home that you can afford is clear, and they work on your side in you getting what you want in terms of the numbers and the approval you are comfortable with. So it is entirely working for you. This is why this is very important, because they are looking out for you and, of course, your needs and your emotions. Pre-approval is a quick assessment of your income, your existing expenses, your existing debts, and your credit behavior. So if you are now pre-approved, it's not going back. They won't tell you this, but pre-approval is your secret weapon. It is meant to protect you, gives you confidence as a first-time home buyer. So now you know how it works. Let's buy homes. See you on the next one.